Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is: below is a table for steel producers dashboard which shows the sources of demand for steel products globally. Given the data, which of the following would be of the most interest to prospective investors in steel? A city investing 500 million to replace its Chinese infrastructure, the impact of Chinese recession of the commercial real estate market, the prevalence of new laws around construction equipment safety, the 10% increase in US Ford truck sales in the last quarter. Click to open close chart and answer the question is to determine which option would be of most interest to prospective investor in steel. Let's analyze the sources of demand for steel products globally. Typically included in such dashboards for construction infrastructure development. This includes projects like building construction, infrastructure, and industrial construction. Steel is a fundamental material in construction and infrastructure projects. Second, manufacturing and industrial production. Steel is essential in manufacturing sectors such as automotive, machinery, and equipment manufacturing. Third, transportation. Steel is used in the transportation sector, including automotive manufacturers, railway and ships for consumer goods and appliances. Steel is also used in consumer goods such as appliances and packaging. Now, considering the options provided, a city investing 500 million to replace in its train infrastructure. This will likely involve significant steel consumption, particularly railway infrastructure projects. This impact of Chinese recession of the commercial real estate market. This focuses on real estate rather than steel demand on its less directly relevant to steel investors. The prevalence of new laws around construction equipment safety, while important for construction, it does not directly indicate increased steel demand. The 10% increase in US Ford truck sales in the last quarter. This indicates growth in automotive manufacturing, which is a significant consumer of steel. Give these consideration, the option that would be of most interest to prospective investors in steel based on the direct impact on steel demand is the 10% increase in US Ford truck sales in the last quarter. This increase suggests growing demand in the automotive sector, which is a major consumer of steel products. Investors would be interested because higher vehicle sales generally mean increased demand for steel, particularly in manufacturing and automotive sectors. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.